Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. Hi, how are you today? Let's see the journey to the bronze medal of Felix LEBRUN. Journey of Felix LEBRUN to the bronze medal at the Paris Olympics. Felix LEBRUN's meteoric rise to the top of the table tennis world is nothing short of astonishing in becoming the youngest ever Olympic medalist, taking home the bronze at the Paris 2024 Olympics. LEBRUN has captured the attention of fans and players alike. What's even more remarkable is how this French phenom has burst onto the scene with a style and charisma that seem destined to define a new era of European table tennis. The iconic penhold grip. One of the defining features of Felix LEBRUN's game is his unconventional penhold grip, which has made him a formidable force on the international circuit. While the penhold grip is less common today, especially in European table tennis, LEBRUN has revitalized it, making it a core strength of his game. His specific style of reverse penhold backhand, RPB, sets him apart from other penhold players such as the legendary Xu Xin. What makes Felix's grip so unique is that it offers him a larger surface area on the backhand and a naturally more open angle than other reverse penholders. This allows him to execute his RPB with greater ease, safety, and control, making it an integral part of his offensive arsenal. His ability to transition quickly between forehand and backhand strikes keeps his opponents guessing and makes it difficult to find weaknesses in his game.
Ouais, les muscles.
Ouais.
Ouais.
Yo, yo. Red. 3, 4, 5. Allez, de la fluidité. 7. Hop. Allez, je mets un peu de poids sur la dernière en plus. 1, 2, pousse. Très bien.
Ouais.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.